Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a melting basket. I'm not calling it fall or winter or anything because honestly I don't know what this is. This is just randomness of everything. So what I tried to do, I'm trying something a little bit different. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to grab something from every section of my collection. Like I'll go through like my Sassy Girl bags, my VCS bags, my Teddy Bees stuff that I have, my clamshells, scent shots, and just random bags of certain things. So let's go ahead and let's get right into this. So this first thing is not off to a great start. This is in my, I have a box where I keep wax that I had pulled for fall like 2 years ago. And I never got to it. So this I pulled out of that box. I'm going to try to be doing that too, pulling stuff out of that box. This is Violet from 6/27/17 and it's VCS and there's one bar in there. You guys know I love Violet and I actually haven't warmed it in quite a while. So that's my first bag. The other two bags I have are from Sassy Girl Aroma, and the first one is Lava Java, and this is brown sugar pound cake lattes, and I think I have one square in there. The next one I have is Fall Dining with Cookie Monster, and you can read the notes there. This one actually smells really, really good. I like this one. It's very fall-esque, if I remember correctly. I think, actually, let me smell this one really quick to see what it's strongest on. Oh, this one has a lot of everything going. Oh, I can really smell that blackberry. This one should be interesting with the blackberry and the pumpkin pecan waffles. We'll see. Okay, from VCS, I pulled this one out of my old bin as well. This is Order of the Arrow from VCS. This is just simply Campfire Marshmallow. So I might try to find some things to blend with this because I feel like this is kind of a basic blend. So let me move this one back here. Try to keep the hedgehog in view because he's so cute. So I grabbed from Teddy Bees, I grabbed blackberry butter pecan cookies, and this one I fell in love with the scent from a scent shot, so I grabbed the bag probably this summer sometime. And then Granny's House, which is warm oatmeal raisin cookies, shortbread cookies, and pie crust. I did try to pick like fall-ish scents because to me I don't really change from fall to winter. I kind of keep, for me Christmas is, you can't do all peppermint all the time and all pine all the time and all Christmas tree scent all the time. So for me, I keep bakery like going all the time, all through winter. So here are some bags that are some random sizes. So I grabbed White Witch from VCS, and I honestly don't remember what this scent is. If my friend Candy was here, she could probably tell you, but put that back there. Then I grabbed Cinnamon Sugar Donut and Butter Cookie from Simo, 4-pack of that. And then my friend Candy, same Candy, sent me Super Tarts Menthol 3-Eyed Raven, and I thought this would be perfect to try out. I'm also going to do that. She sent me this summer a huge box of samples to try, so I'm going to try to grab some samples from her. Also, Leanne sent me some stuff too, and I am not sure what I did with that. I have to find it because she had something in there that I wanted to pull out, and I could not find it. So, if you happen to be watching Leanne, I'm sure we've discussed the method I use sometimes for cleaning the house, and I think that's where all of my random, like I was looking for a clamshell too, who recommended Pizza Time? Christy, was that you had recommended Pizza Time to me? I was looking for that clamshell and I was like, where is that? And I'm like, I bet it's in that bag that I tossed everything into when I had to clean really fast. And I put it in the closet, so that's probably where it is. Okay. This is Sassy Girl Aroma. This was sent to me by Lauren. Lauren, she's on Instagram, and I can't think of her Instagram handle right now. I think it's LKMF something. I'm so sorry, Lauren, but she was so sweet and sent me Sassy Girl Aroma Black Cat Saw Casper. This is Blackberry Cider Lane, Marshmallow Fireside, and Marshmallow. Yeah, so she sent me a huge chunk of that. And from L3 Waxey Wonders, who also I have Lauren to thank for L3 because she introduced me to L3, cinnamon sugar cream cheese frosting pretzel. And that's a 6-pack bag. And this smells pretty good. Oh, this one smells real good. I was a little concerned with the cinnamon, but curious to see how that one's gonna warm. That should be a nice like kitchen blend. Okay, more bags, a few more. One thing I also tried not to do is I tried not to grab too much. That seems to be one of my issues. So Fall Festival from Empire Alchemy. And so it's Rice Krispie Treats, kettle corn, toasted almonds, flaky croissant, and orange marmalade. So that one will be really pretty. For a time lapse, actually. This one I just grabbed kind of on a whim. I wanted to try this one, Fools Who Dream. I wanted some like comforting scents as well. This is Lavender Twilight type, which pulled me right in. White Birch, Tonka Bean, Flannel, Vanilla Bean Noel, and Clary Sage. Jeez. Okay. The next one I have is Rainbow Melt's Spooky Scoops, and this is pumpkin ice cream, waffle cone, and caramel drizzle. I got this from her pre-order, which again was for fall, but I don't mind, you know, like I said, I don't mind warming fall things, bakeries, fall bakeries all throughout the winter. So my other thing I was going to say too, so what I did is as I picked each like section, I was like, okay, I'm going to work on the bags, like these Sassy Girl Aroma bags. I only have like 1 or 2 chunks in, so I can use those. The bags, I don't know that I will get through all of them, but you know, I can start. These other bags back here are pretty full, so I'm probably just going to be able to like just start getting into them. And then I grabbed clamshells and scent shots. So what I'm going to do with the clamshells and scent shots. So like a clamshell, I can put throughout my entire house in one go. So I can have the whole house smelling like one thing through the living room and the kitchen. This will do me. So I'll do that with the clamshells. And then the scent shots, what I'm going to do is I'm going to either cut them in half or thirds. And so for the halves, I'm going to put one in our bedroom and one half in my daughter's room or the computer room. Or use 2 scent shots and do 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms. Or something like that. I don't know. Okay, I had it figured out. I had it all figured out. Also 2 scent shots, if I cut them into thirds, I can use them in my kitchen as well, or half in my living room. But if I want to use a whole clamshell, I'll just do the kitchen and the living room. That's the smartest, like easiest way for me. So this is Peppermint Vanilla Cookie from the Bathing Garden. And is this the one that smells a lot like cookie? Yeah, I think this is the one that's more cookie than heavy peppermint. So I really liked that about that one because it is really cold and rainy here today, so let's see. Let's move the bags over here. And then we'll put the clamshells back here. Okay, let's go through the... So I have Game of Tarts White Walkers. I like to warm this in the fall, winter time. I just think it's a nice scent. It's spearmint, peppermint, fresh mint leaf, and vanilla bean noel. I do find this one to be more of a medium to light thrower, so I like to put this in the bathroom or a smaller like contained bedroom area. I have Midway Cider, which I don't even know when I picked this one up, to be honest. So this is cinnamon and caramel blend with crisp bread, apples, and notes of fried funnel cake. This is probably more of a fall scent, but yeah, that's definitely like a little bit of cider lane going on there. Oh, dang, you know where else I forgot to pull from? I forgot to pull a Scentsy Clam, and I forgot to pull a Better Homes and Gardens or Sensationals. That's where I messed up. I was going to try to grab something from every part of my collection, and I didn't do it. Oh well. Okay, Lavender Meringue Mint from Bathing Garden. This is one that I wanted to do just like for soothing reasons. So this is Lavender Meringue, Minty Marshmallow, and Sugar. Yeah, this one's a nice mint. Not too much lavender in that one that I smell yet, so we'll see when it warms up. I don't know what's going on with my Super Tarts clams, but they're starting to like stick together. I have them in this bin, and do you see like they're picking up labels from behind them? So I don't know what's going on. Also, you can tell always her clamshells kind of do this when you've had them for a while, but they never lose scent, or at least not on my, I was about to say not on my watch, but they usually don't fade in scent for me. So Miracle on 34th. Oh, I actually just had this one in my end of year empties, and I said I wanted to warm this one again so I could figure out what it was that I liked about it, because I do really like that scent, but it's been a long time since I've warmed it. Torch is a great scent. I feel like it's kind of underrated. This is Tonka, Beechwood Vetiver, Pink Berries, and Caramelized Figs. Oh, this one is so, so good. I love that vetiver scent in here. Oh, this one is such a good scent. Okay, so enough about that. I think that's like the second or third one I've purchased of that one. See, and then you can see my Rosalie has kind of gone to crap. I don't really know what happened with Rosalie, but she got messed up, man. So this is Twisted Peppermint and Coconut Cream Pie. Yeah. I mean, that's pretty much what it is. I mean, it's pretty heavy on the peppermint, but I do smell coconut cream pie. Now, I did say in my year-end empties that I thought it was mostly peppermint, and I think on warm it does, but obviously I'll report back on that. Okay, and the next one I have is Winds in the East. I've had this one for a while, and I just really want to get it out there. Fresh Strawberry and Rain. I have two, so I was kind of feeling like, let's just go ahead and bust that one out. Yeah, I really like her Fresh Strawberry scent. And Rain. I feel like she did that in like a one-off thing before, or maybe Bam Bags, and then she made it into a clam, because I think a lot of people were requesting it. Okay, scent shots. Let's go through those really quick. So I just grabbed a handful. So from Satin Susie, I grabbed Dirty Chai. From Satin Susie, I also grabbed some olive leaf and fig. Do I have more? Yeah, I have another Satin Susie here. I have Afternoon Tea, Chai Tea, and Sugar Cookies. I feel like as we're kind of transitioning, I'm kind of like wanting like chai tea scents. I don't know. From Empire Alchemy, I have Grace, which I feel like this will be a great bedroom or bathroom blend. I grabbed Chai Bread. Oh, I guess I kind of went crazy on the chai. I might put some of those back. Pumpkin Chai Layer Cake. I didn't mean to do that, honestly. I just kind of grabbed ones that sounded fall, kind of fallish. I grabbed Yummy from Rainbow Melts. And then I grabbed Golden Willow Waxes, Cuddle Puddle, which is warm vanilla sugar and fresh laundry. I know I have a sample of a fall scent from my friend Candy that I need to bust out, because I want to use that for before like the whole season is over. Destination Wax, I grabbed Apple Butter Pumpkin Pie. I don't know how I feel about this one yet. I'm not loving the scent, but we'll see. I grabbed from K's, I grabbed Dr. Peppermint. This one I feel like would be a good bathroom blend. And the last two things I have are these fun peppermint waffle cone from Bathing Garden. These will make great time lapses. And then this one, I'm going to pull this one out because this one is so pretty. It's going to be hard for me to melt this one, but this is Goodnight Alice from Bathing Garden. Oh my god. I just love that wax mold. I think she used it several times in different blends, but I'm sure I have another one somewhere. I don't know why I get like all... Does anyone else do that? Where you're like, I don't know if I can melt that. So, all right. That is my melting basket. You can't see it in its entirety, but let's see if we can kind of bend you back. Okay. Let's see if we can just push you back a little bit so you can just kind of see. So as you see, I did not try to overwhelm myself. That's usually what ends up happening. And then I end up having a big bag of stuff sitting out for weeks on end. Yeah. Anyways, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you're melting, or direct me to your video if you are doing a melting basket. Yeah, because I like to watch those. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.